Ever wondered why you don't fly off when spinning around in a circle? Or why water remains in a bucket when you swing it over your head? It's all a game of forces, centripetal and centrifugal forces to be exact. Centripetal force, from the Latin words centrum, meaning center, and petere, meaning to seek, is a force that makes a body follow a curved path. In simpler terms, it's the force that pulls you towards the center when you're spinning around. Imagine swinging a ball attached to a string in a circular motion. Your hand exerts a force on the string, pulling the ball towards the center of the circle, preventing it from flying off in a straight line. That, my friends, is centripetal force in action. Now, what about that water in a bucket scenario? That's where centrifugal force comes into play. Centrifugal force, stemming from the Latin centrum, meaning center, and fugere, meaning to flee, is the force that makes things move away from the center. It's often referred to as the fictitious or pseudo force, because it doesn't exist in a non-rotating frame of reference. When you swing a bucket of water over your head, the water doesn't fall out because the centrifugal force pushes it out towards the edges of the bucket, counteracting gravity. But remember, these two forces are not enemies. Rather, they work together in harmony, balancing each other out. In the spinning ball example, the centrifugal force is the feeling that the ball wants to fly off in a straight line. But the centripetal force, provided by your hand pulling on the string, keeps it moving in a circle. In the bucket case, the centrifugal force keeps the water pressed against the bottom of the bucket, even when it's upside down. But as soon as you stop swinging, gravity, the centripetal force in this scenario, takes over, and the water falls down. So what's the takeaway from this? Centripetal force and centrifugal force are two sides of the same coin, two forces working together to create balance. Centripetal force pulls objects toward the center, keeping them on a curved path. Centrifugal force, on the other hand, is the apparent force that acts outwardly away from the center. They might sound complicated, but once you understand them, you'll see their effects everywhere, from amusement park rides to the spinning of the Earth itself. And remember, next time you're swinging a bucket of water or spinning in a circle, you're not just playing, you're experiencing physics in action.